Aspose.Imaging Object Detect application was designed to help identify objects on your images. First, you need to upload a file to the input field. You can do this either by clicking the input field or by dragging and dropping the input file into the input field. Uploading may take a while depending on your input file size. After uploading completes, you may proceed using several options. The Aspose.Imaging Object detects various objects on your source image. The list of objects available by clicking List of Available Labels. As you can see, the list is quite large, and that means that Aspose.Imaging is capable of recognizing a lot of objects. To fine-tune the recognition, you can specify the allowed or blocked labels options. For example, for this image you can specify to include only cars in the recognition process, and then the Aspose.Imaging will show you the recognized cars only. Alternatively, you can specify to exclude some labels from processing. Then you could observe that some entities have been stripped from the processing results. The other options, such as include labels and scores, are enabled by default. If you turn them off, you could only see all entities found drawn with various rectangles. Threshold is self-explanatory. If you increase this value, then entities with higher confidence results will be left in the recognition results. Lowering this option could lead to results containing more false positives than expected. The color value means the rectangle color of the found entities. Please note that this is just a demo showing a subset of features that Aspose.Imaging is capable to perform. You can download the full product for more features, link is at the video description. We hope that you have found this little tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.